Hey guys, Cohen here, coming to you live from Los Angeles on another vacation. Listen, people ask me all the time, you're doing well. We see you all over the place. We see that you are loving life, you're enjoying time with your family, you're enjoying the freedom. What's next for you? Are you going to start a coaching business? Are you going to start a consulting business? And my question to that is, why? I mean, right now, if you look on YouTube, you look on Facebook, you're probably seeing a ton of different people pushing, the glory of starting a consulting business or starting some type of coaching business or a high ticket business, right? Where you're selling services, consulting services or coaching services at a high price point. And I say, you know what? That's not for everyone. That is not for everyone. As a matter of fact, it's not for me. I love the freedom that comes with information publishing and creating an information publishing business. I love the recurring aspect of it, right? This morning alone, I woke up to over $10,000 in sales, just this morning alone. And I did not have to speak to a single person on the phone, did not have to talk to anyone to try to sell them into joining my coaching or my consulting program, did not have to have any type of high pressure tactics in place. Listen, with information marketing and an information publishing business, everything is on autopilot. You don't have to worry about customer support. You don't have to worry about getting on the phone and selling people. That's not for everyone. I like my time, folks. I like being able to do things like this, right? Hey, Cohen here, and guess what? I want to give you a new copy of my new book, Kindle Publishing Secrets. As you may or may not know, for the last 12 years, I've published content to Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform. I've created a Kindle Publishing platform, or I should say a Kindle Publishing powerhouse like no one in the industry. As a matter of fact, I was one of the first to start teaching Amazon Kindle Publishing. I've been able to create an amazing lifestyle using what I teach in this book, and now this book is going to be yours for free just by going to kindlecashflow.com. So when you go to kindlecashflow.com, not only will you get the book for free, but I'll also give you an exact 3-step process by video that shows you how you can go in and get started with Amazon Kindle Publishing, even if you have no clue as to how to do it, even if you are not a writer. All right, so you can do this if you're a writer, someone who enjoys writing, or if you're someone who doesn't really enjoy writing. I actually failed English 101 not once but twice in high school because I was not good at writing. But what you'll learn in this book is everything that has helped me and my students. I have students in over 100 countries around the planet that are crushing it, that are killing it, that are making insane amounts of income publishing books on Amazon. And I put it all in this book right here, and I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you the exact formula. I'm going to give you all 3 steps that you need to follow in order to be successful, and you'll get everything, the book for free, as well as the free video training when you go to kindlecashflow.com. Again, that URL is Kindle, Kindle, cash, CASH, flow, FLOW.com. And when you go there, you're going to register. You'll enter your name and your email address. And after you register, I'll give you a copy of the book, and you'll get a free video that shows you the entire 3-step process to publishing content on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform. This is going to be a game changer for you. It's not costing you anything. It's totally free, but I guarantee you that you'll remember the day that you got access to not only this, but also the free video that I'm giving you when you go over to kindlecashflow.com. So go ahead and do so right now. We only have a few copies left. We're only giving out a couple of 100 copies, and they're gonna probably go pretty quickly, right? So take a chance, go over to kindlecashflow.com, enter your name and email address. You'll see a form or a box that's over there, or maybe a link. You'll click on that link or enter your name and email address into the form that you see, and you'll get access to the book for free, and you'll also get access to the free training. Like I said, we're only giving away a few hundred copies. Once they are gone, this book will go on sale for $100. All right, it'll be $99 to be exact, because it's just that valuable. If I had to, someone asked me the other day, as a matter of fact, I was being interviewed on podcast, and someone said, what price point would you put on the information that you contained in this book? And I would say about $50,000, because it's not only helped me to make a ton of money over the years, way more than $50,000, probably much more than 10 times that. But it's also allowed me to help my students. I have students in over 100 countries. I have thousands and thousands and thousands of students. We have well over 10,000 students just in our Facebook group. And every day we're getting testimonials. Every single day we're getting videos and messages and posts from students that are crushing it, that are just generating massive amounts of income. And I put all of those secrets in this book. Secrets that I've used, things that I've used to just make a lot of money, and things that my students and my top coaches have used to make a lot of money as well. So what are you still doing watching this video? Go over to kindlecashflow.com, get your free copy if it's still available, and watch the training. I'll see you on the inside.